In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower shipping costs on Kakobuy. Start by opening the Kakobuy website. From the homepage, hover your mouse over the profile icon at the top to open your account menu. This menu is where you can manage everything related to your orders and storage. Click Warehouse to go to your storage page. Here, you'll see items that have arrived and are waiting to be shipped. Decide which products you want to ship together and tick the checkbox next to each one. Selecting more than one item lets Kakobuy test them as a single package, which often reveals a more efficient, cheaper way to send them. With your items selected, choose Rehearsal Packing. Think of this as a no-commitment preview. Kakobuy virtually packs your selection and then shows you a breakdown of shipping options you can compare before you proceed. On the Packing Details screen, review the estimated weight, dimensions, and any notes about the package. Shipping fees can be based on actual weight or on volumetric weight, which depends on size, so these details explain why certain methods cost less. If something looks off, you can go back and adjust which items you selected and run the rehearsal again. Now, look through the list of available shipping methods and identify the low-cost option. Don't just glance at the price, check the estimated delivery time and whether tracking or insurance are included, so you're balancing cost with reliability and speed. When you've chosen the option that fits your needs, click Submit. This saves your selection and applies it to your shipment setup, so you're ready to move forward when you finalize the order. And that's it. By using Warehouse, selecting your items, running rehearsal packing, reviewing the details, and choosing the most affordable method, you can consistently lower your shipping costs on Kakobuy.